Good morning from Michigan. It's Saturday morning. Let me get my shower cap right here. Here working. Had some pretty nasty storms go through yesterday. Unfortunately, there were some folks that lost a lot of property damage in close proximity to the facility here, but also some folks lost their lives. So keeping those people in our thoughts and prayers. Obviously, there's a lot more serious things in life than just working on the weekend. But yeah, we're here today. It's a little shot of our weld room here. We've got some pretty nice equipment. I am the interim welder sometimes. What we're working on today, though, is we call it a filter shaker. As you might imagine, it goes into a filter. You can see the filter over here. Kind of gets mounted in there like that. This is a product that Paul Bushy innovated some time ago. And when we relaunched the company, we didn't initially have this in our product offering. So this is all pre-orders that our customers have requested, and we appreciate the fact that people are out there pre-ordering this. So yeah, I'm trying to get ahead of the production curve on the weekend, come in, weld a little bit, and get it ready for assembly and getting them, with any luck, I'm fairly certain we'll get them out this week. So, but yeah, this is a product Paul innovated. It does a great job. We've already got world-class filtration, but it just simply takes it up another notch and preserves the life of the filter, which is very important for air quality, as you might imagine. So here we are, working the weekend, trying to get it done, and I appreciate you coming along for the ride. I'm only going to be here for a little bit today. I've got a date with my 12-year-old grandson this afternoon, and we have big plans to get a ribeye. So that's always a good time when there's meat involved, as far as I'm concerned. Anybody that knows me knows I eat pretty much a carnivore lifestyle. But yeah, having fun. We enjoy this process, and the fact that you folks are willing to jump in and view what we're doing on the weekend is very much appreciated. So have a great weekend. Stay dry. Hopefully you don't have too much of a cleanup if you're Michigan-based. But anyways, enjoy your time this weekend, and thanks for staying with me. God bless.